Super Seal is one of AC Pro's most valuable products because it seals the leaks in metal and rubber components that are likely to be the source of the warm air in the first place. It's a relatively easy tool to help get your car's AC blowing cold again, without the hefty expenses usually associated with bringing the vehicle to a mechanic. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps for using AC Pro Super Seal AC treatment with metal and rubber stop leak. For this process, you'll need Super Seal and a refill of the refrigerant that your vehicle uses. We'll be using our AC Pro Ultra Synthetic R-1234yf refill for this demonstration. First, make sure the AC is set to maximum cool with the cabin recirculation turned on. Once this is set, let the car run for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, make sure the compressor is running. You'll probably have heard it engage and disengage a few times by now, but if it's easily visible, take a listen and look at the compressor to confirm the clutch is engaging and the compressor is in fact functional. Without this operating as intended, we can't move on. Now it's time to start working with AC Pro Super Seal. Turn the hose valve counterclockwise to its highest position. Attach the hose to the low side port and then, with the can being held right side up, turn the valve handle on the hose clockwise until the valve is in its lowest position. This allows refrigerant from the system to enter the can, which should be noticeable by sound or touch. Without removing the hose from the low side port, turn the valve counterclockwise. Then shake the can. This mixes the refrigerant with the sealant in the can before it is put back into the system. Set the air conditioning to its highest setting and turn on the cabin recirculation mode. Then go back to the engine bay. Turn the can upside down and hold it above the low side port. Then open the valve by turning it clockwise. Shake the can lightly until it is empty. This typically takes a few minutes. Once empty, turn the can upright and turn the valve counterclockwise to close it. Disconnect the recharge hose from the low side service port. Next, you'll need to complete a full recharge process. For the full instructions on how to do so, be sure to check out our website and app by visiting acprocold.com, where you can find instructional how-to videos for recharging your vehicle's air conditioning.